You know, it's hard to think of lasagna without thinking about how all those layers of goodness create one incredible dish. Well, today, we're creating a to die for dessert, which uses the same layer after layer concept, and the results are nothing short of amazing. The first thing we do is mix some crushed chocolate sandwich cookies with butter and press them into the bottom of a baking dish. While that chills, we beat together some cream cheese with vanilla and powdered sugar until it's smooth. Then we fold in some whipped topping. This goes over the cookie crumb crust. See, it's sort of like building a lasagna. A layer of chocolate pudding goes over that, and back into the fridge it goes. The whole thing gets finished with whipped topping, and after it's chilled, we sprinkle each piece with some mini chocolate chips. All it takes is one forkful, and you'll know why we fell in love with this. I mean, what's not to love about all the layers of goodness? The recipe for what we call our chocolate dessert lasagna is ready and waiting for you on our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a layer after layer way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. I have all this.